To deposit cash at a Chase ATM, start by locating one using the Chase website. Once you've found an ATM, visit it with your debit card and insert it into the slot on the right side of the machine. After a few seconds, you'll be prompted to enter your PIN. Be sure to keep this private and tap the green Enter button. On the welcome screen, select the blue Deposit button, and then choose the type of deposit you'd like to make, cash, check, or both. If depositing cash, insert your paper bills, and the ATM will count and verify them. If any bills are not readable, the ATM will return them, giving you the option to try again. Next, review your deposit, checking the details to ensure everything is correct. If satisfied, tap the blue Deposit button. You'll then be given the option to receive a receipt, which you can print or select from other available options. After confirming you don't want to perform any additional transactions, remove your debit card and take your receipt. This completes the process of depositing cash at a Chase ATM.